Hi guys, this is my Punchwood survival. Survival. Where? Okay, punchwood.com. Just go. Body rockers in the air. Body look that all time. Alright. I'm right. Yep, just what I wanted this one. Oh my god. No, I'm not lagging. Die cow! There's an abundance of cows. Get some whitewood. Oh, grab that. Okay, got that. Let's see if I can find any wolves. Oh my gosh, wolves. There is no ocelot, so yeah. Better start building before it gets to night time. You did not see that. Make some sticks. Alright. Make a beach house. Clear out there. So I need 2 of these. He's gonna get some stone. Hey Wolfie. Check out, I'll leave a link to this dude, he's awesome at Minecraft. So far, our only subscriber. Shade that every day, I like shuffling. Wow, we found some iron. That was lucky. And Sinister Pulsar Jr. 10th, I think this is his website I'm using. Website seed. Yeah, put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Build a furnace. Ain't going unprepared like last time. Check out my other vid, which will be in a link, which will be in the description. I'm gonna build a huge house. It's just gonna be a tiny beach house. I think I should learn how to put the timber mod in this and everything. Timber mod and another mod. So I've got enough. Alright, start building. Look at this bit. It's not going to be fancy, it's just going to be a small house. My house next to the beach. My house. It is so full of meat. Talking about meat, we need to go and kill some stuff so I can get some food. Okay. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. Over there. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. No. Actually, yeah, I need to fill this in. Branch off. That's how you should branch off. We've been recording for 6 minutes. This is the... oh yeah. I do not think I'll be able to finish the house. Go away, Cuspers. If you want to know what I use to protect my computer, I use Kaspersky since I've been using it for the whole entire time I've had this computer. 1, right, 3 more. And I shall be done with this. Branch off this way. Then we go and kill. Since we've only got about 4 minutes left. No, 3. And I already need food. Put this down here. A bit too small, but oh, time to go kill. Cows. Just what I want. Come here, cows. Get killed with a pickaxe. Okay. And kill this other one. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it off here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out, bye.